60? 560.
Okay.
This aircraft will turn around as guests of this flight are
Yes, guys, we're bound for Manila. See you Manila in a bit. Hey guys, we're about to check in for our Manila flight tonight.
Seated at the boarding room number 4. Prepare your boarding pass and in and on while it's under the seating for you. So we need our
I'll check for you guys. See you Manila in a bit. Yes, after getting your boarding pass from the check-in counter of your airline, get inside the passenger terminal. So we're gate 6, so we're on the second level of this Panglao International Airport here in Bohol, guys. So wala siya ang airport sa Bohol. Sa mga planning to travel to Bohol, Panglao International Airport. So muna ang airport mo dito, guys. So gates 3 to 6 this way. Kanya, gate 7 is there. May mga toilets sa luwag siya. Diyan lumanas, guys. Say hi. Eh, basta di ano, ginawa niya, kabidisyon na ka. The boarding. So you guys are 38K, I think. Kai. Selfie.
Request all passengers to occupy your assigned seats for the duration of the flight. If you're seated in an exit